Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a fill on these nails today. This is a hybrid acrylic set, so it has gel underneath the acrylic. So I'm going to be starting by removing most of the acrylic from her nails and getting started on the preparation process. Once most of the acrylic is removed, I'm going to be using my cuticle bit to remove any dead skin from her nail plate, and then I'll be using a fine sanding band to blend in the surface of each nail. So I'm going to prime her nails and I'm going to dive right into the acrylic application. Today I'm going to be doing an ombre. Once the ombre is completed, I'm going to be encapsulating each nail in ice ultra clear acrylic to build up the apex and also build the body of the nail. Once the acrylic application is finished, I'm going to start shaping with my extra coarse sanding band. I'm going to be doing a stiletto shape on these nails today, so I'm not going to do a lot of shaping with my sanding band, but I'm going to get the shape started. My favorite file to use is this 100 grit hand file. It's sturdy and it helps me to apply enough pressure to the nail so that I get the shape that I want. So when my shaping and filing is completed, I'm going to be using the foil gel from ctones.com, and I'm going to be applying it onto each nail and curing it before I start with the foils. These flame foils are from ctones.com. What I do is I cut out the flame that I want to use and I apply it onto the cured foil gel, and then I remove it like so and apply a non-wipe gel top coat over the foils to seal the design. So here is the finished result of these ombre flame nails. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you check us out on ctones.com for all your nail products. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks again. God bless.